Are you looking for a massive business opportunity that scales from a local operation into a massive production empire? The beverage industry is booming, and if you want to capture a piece of the market, you need the right machinery to back you up. Today, we are breaking down a complete turnkey solution that grows exactly as your business grows. This is the high-capacity carbonated beverage bottling plant, a powerhouse setup designed to handle liquid water, juices, and high-demand sparkling drinks all on a single, high-speed automated line. When you are stepping into large-scale production, efficiency and speed are everything. This system is a high-speed carbonated beverage bottling machine engineered primarily for the heavy hitters in the industry, like popular carbonated soft drinks, crisp soda waters, and refreshing sparkling fruit juices. It features an advanced 3-in-1 integrated structure that seamlessly combines three crucial production steps into one automated body. It handles the initial bottle rinsing, the precision liquid filling, and the final airtight capping sequentially without a single second of wasted downtime. This unified design is specifically built for PET and standard plastic bottles, making it incredibly versatile for whatever product line you decide to launch or expand next. What truly separates this bottling line from standard equipment on the market is its cutting-edge Isobaric filling technology. Also known as ISO pressure filling, this advanced method maintains equalized pressure during the entire filling process. This ensures that carbonated beverages retain their perfect fizz and carbonation level without overflowing or creating excessive foam. Because of this specialized technology, the machine operates far more efficiently and with much greater stability than any other equipment in its class. You get an incredibly consistent, high-yield output every single hour, allowing you to meet massive retail demands with total confidence. Speaking of output, this automatic bottling plant is built for pure volume. It boasts a massive, stable production capacity ranging from 34,000 to 36,000 bottles per hour. That is serious, industrial-grade speed, making it the ideal centerpiece for large-scale beverage factories and fully automated production lines. Whether you are fulfilling huge wholesale distributions or preparing for a major market rollout, this machine ensures your supply chain never lags behind. But high capacity doesn't mean a complicated layout. The entire operation is managed by an intelligent control system. This smart automation gives you full command over the entire line with minimal manual labor, keeping the process highly hygienic, incredibly durable, and consistently cost-effective. From the moment the empty PET bottles enter the line to the second the finished, capped carbonated drinks roll off the conveyor, you have total control over your production quality. This is more than just a piece of machinery. It is a complete turnkey solution designed for smart scaling. If you are ready to transition from manual bottlenecks to an elite, high-efficiency automated bottling plant that adapts to your growing commercial demands, this Isobaric filling carbonated drink line is the ultimate blueprint for your production success. Let us build a high-speed, high-profit beverage empire that stands out in a crowded market.